What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna be putting back together the cylinder head of Alejandro's car. As you remember, we already did the port job, intake and exhaust. It's already, the head is already resurfaced, and now we're gonna be installing all. No, we're not going to be using this one. We bought the OEM kit. I have here all brand new OEM parts that we are going to be using. This kit comes with all the valve seal, steam seals, bump seals, the half moons that goes that you have to seal here, all the camshaft, all the chains. This is a good kit, guys. This is the part number for this, and this cost me only 20 something bucks. This is the part number. All those parts for 24 something. So you can buy this in any dealership, and it's gonna come with all these parts. So now I'm gonna be refreshing the head, putting all the seals and everything, putting it back together so we can put it back in the car. Guys, this is the valve spring, and the closer loops goes to the bottom. We bought the ARP head studs. So now we have here, I'm gonna be taking everything out so you can see what we have. These are the two M12. These came from a kit from R22 Toyota engine. These are 1.25 both in both sides. These are the M12s, and these are the M10. We have 8 M10s. These come from a BMW engine. We gotta have 8 of these. These are the numbers for the M10s. Those are ARP AM 4.5001LB. There are other bolts that are stronger than this one with the same number but finish in 2B, but we couldn't get a hold of those, so we are using this instead. You are supposed to give this one 60 foot-pounds, but some people have taken these bolts to 75, so we're gonna try that. If they break, we'll let you know. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 of these bolts. And 2 the M10s. Plus, we have the nuts. Remember, we're gonna be using three washers. These ones, 3 on each one of these bolts because the bolt is too long. So we're gonna be filling the gap with the ARP nuts. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 of those. This goes with that, and the washers. Like I told you, there are these ones. There are other bolts that finish in 2B, but those bolts, nobody has them. I called directly to ARP. ARP doesn't have it in stock right now. It was like 2 or 3 weeks to get them, and we don't have 2 or 3 weeks to wait. So I prefer to do this now, like this. And here we know that they are giving 75 foot-pounds of torque on these ones and 85 foot-pounds of torque on these ones. So, and that should be enough to hold the like 25 pounds of boost. So that's gonna be enough. So that's that. I'm gonna be preparing everything, getting everything back together. So I'm ready, so we can put the head on the engine again.
Yeah.
Well guys, now we're gonna be installing the ARP studs. So these are the M10s. We're gonna be threading them up to the end of the thread of the bolts. We're using a 532's Allen key. Now the M12s. We're gonna be using with this one 3/16. Okay guys, everything is, all the bolts are in. So now I'm gonna test fit the head to see the length of the bolts. So now we're gonna be spraying the copper spray to the cylinder head gasket, and then we're gonna be installing the head. Well guys, as you can see, we already installed the gasket with the copper spray, and now we're going to proceed to install the head and torque all the bolts. Okay, the head is in. Like you know, we're going to be using 3 on each M12. We're going to be using a little bit of anti-seize here. It's 1, 2, 3. I'm placing all the washers in each of the bolts. M10s. The M12 already had the 6 washers, and now I'm going to be putting these ones. Okay, now the nuts. Guys, with this torque sequence, we finished the first part of this video. Stay tuned for the next one, where we are going to be finishing this engine and we're going to be installing the new intake manifold, and you're going to like it. So guys, stay tuned for the next one, and you don't want to miss it. See you in the next one, guys.